this is the SmartGames IQ flow. There are 120 challenges in this book. All of the pieces are on the board. To start the game, you remove the pieces. You're going to pick a challenge. They range from starter to wizard. So I'm pick challenge 1. I have all the pieces off, and then I'm going to start back by placing the pieces back on the board to match the challenge I selected. So I removed everything, and then I started by sliding the 2 on the top to match the 2 on the top. And then I'm going to work my way through the puzzle until I complete the challenge accordingly. Okay, that's how you play the game, by sliding and placing the puzzles on the board. You choose the challenge. The goal is to take all of these colorful tiles and put them back on the board to match the challenge you selected. There are 120 in here, beginner to expert, kids, teens, adults. This is a great way to unplug from screen time. These puzzles are great for anyone who likes a little brain challenge. And these are challenging. You're going to have to think about how to move these around. I like that this is small enough to travel, but there's still a lot to figure out, and you're going to use time doing it. It is the kind of game you can pick up for a quick challenge and keep going and set it aside if you're annoyed like me, or if you need to prove yourself, you can solve this puzzle and then move on to a next one, moving your way through the book higher and higher up with the puzzles. But I highly recommend the SmartGames IQ Flow. Very nice puzzle. This review is sponsored by the brand.